Lesson 5.3, solving multi-step inequalities. So we are going to solve inequalities with more than one step. We're going to take what we did the last 2 days and kind of combine them together. We're following the steps listed there, but also the steps from the poster. You always distribute first. You combine like terms on each side if necessary. We always want the variable on the left and the constants on the right. Multiply or divide by a negative. Please be sure you turn that inequality symbol around. Some of these you may or may not have to graph. Just kind of go with the flow. Some of them you will and some of them you won't. All right, so the first example, 3a plus 7 less than or equal to 5a minus 9. Somebody want to volunteer to do this for a ticket? Okay. Jared, what would I do first?
First you would take negative 5a to the other side.
Okay, how would I do that?
By subtracting 5a from each side.
Okay, now what's below there?
Well, you would subtract 5a from 3a, which would be negative 2a.
Okay.
And you bring down the plus 7, the less than or equal to sign, and bring the negative 9.
Okay, now what?
And you would subtract 7 from each side.
Okay.
You would bring down negative 2, less than or equal to. You would subtract 7 from negative 9.
Which is?
Negative 16.
Okay.
And then you divide each side by negative 2.
Okay, and when you divide each side by negative 2,
You would bring down the a, flip around the sign from being less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and then you divide negative 16 by negative 2 to be positive.
okay, and then writing it in set notation as the set of A, such that A is greater than or equal to 8. I do want to make one comment about this first step right here. Generally, solving equations, we took the lowest variable and moved it. You could still do that and subtract 3a from each side and bring the 9 over, and okay, but then at the end you would have to turn it around to get your variable to the left. Some people prefer that way they're not dealing with a negative. You really get to choose whichever way you want to do it. Okay, you can solve it the way we normally do equations and then turn it around at the very end or whatever. What?
Which way do you think would be quicker?
Which way would be quicker? Let's see, if I subtracted 3a, there'd be 2, that'd be there. Probably just as broad as it is long. You know what that means? Same. It's just whether you want to deal with the negative or not. Okay? I think it would have the same number of steps. Okay, questions about first example A? All right, anybody still writing red? So let's scroll down a little bit here, do example B. This is one that's a little different. That's why I pulled it up. 3x minus 8. That is all over 12. Greater than 4. My tree, what am I going to do? Multiply by 12 on both sides. Okay. Oops. X is greater than 56 over 3, and you can leave that since it doesn't reduce. And I'm going to do the set notation right there, the set of x, such that x is greater than 56 thirds. Okay, questions about that? So again, make sure you realize if the whole side is over a number, you got to get rid of that number. Okay, you couldn't start dealing with the 8 or the 3 yet. You would have to deal with the 12 first, because they really aren't 8 and 3. They're really 3 over 12 and 8 over 12. So there you go. All right, we'll finish off with a story problem here. The area of a triangle, of a triangular playground, can be no more than 450 square feet. The height of the triangle is 180 feet. What is the base of the triangle, or what could it be? So let's think about this. First of all, we need to know the area of a triangle formula, which would be 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to say, I'm going to look at this, and it says the area can be no more than 450. So what I would do is put the area formula, 1/2 base times height, no more than, which one is that? Which symbol is that for no more than, Tora?
Less than or equal to?
Less than or equal to 450. Okay, so I'm going to now plug in the information they give me about the height. So 1/2 base times 180 is less than or equal to 450. I'm going to kind of skip over here. You can kind of commute and rearrange, but I think we can see 1/2 of 80 would be next. So 90B is less than or equal to 450. And divide by 90. So B is less than or equal to 50. So this is a story problem. So I would probably say the base can be, yeah.
Isn't it 5?
Yes, it would be 5, sorry. The zeros cross out here, that would be 5. Yep. So it's the base can be no more than 5 feet. Okay, base can be no more than 5 feet. All right, questions about that? Yep. Yeah. Base is less than or equal to 5 feet. Something like that. One or the other would work.
Would we have to put that in set notation?
Nope. You would not have to put that in set notation. Anything else?